Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add product dimensions in Shopify for shipping. So first of all you need to do, just go and log in into your Shopify. From there, you can go to this left panel's example, and you can go and click on your product to see all the products that you have. Make sure that the product is physical, because if it's not, you'll not be able to add any dimensions. As an example, I do have here a product. I'm just going to click on that, and let's scroll down. And as you can see here, for the shipping options, I do have physical products turned on. If it's not turned on, I'll not be able to enter any dimension or to add any dimensions for this Shopify product. So normally you have the store default, which is the dimension of 22 x 13.7 x 4.2. And of course, if you want to add any of your custom like dimensions, all you need to do is just click on add new package. Here, you'll be able to add your own dimensions, whether it's a box, envelope, or a soft package. Just go and add the dimension. I'm just going to do something random like 10, 10, 10. You can either choose, do you want it to be in centimeters or inch? And if there's any weight, make sure to add that as well in kilogram, gram, pound, or oz. I don't know the name of that exactly. So here you can add the package name, specifically if you have like multiple packages that's going to use this dimension. So you can choose like here small, I don't know, like small like package, something like that. And you can use it as a default package if it's like the default product that you sell in your store. You can click on add package, and from here, as you can see, I added my custom dimension to this product. So I can just go and save it, and it will be ready for shipping. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.